What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about Cookie DAO today. Hit that like button, you guys. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and let's get into it, my friends. It is the 21st of July, and here we are right now at about 22 cents. Looking like we're moving right on up. Good stuff, right? 382 resistance, 236 support, zero point 0.5 resistance, 382 support. Very constructive look, honestly, a very constructive look. I would think that we do continue higher, probably getting into this golden ratio zone, if not even beyond there. Inevitably, I think that we will progress higher than that and likely see prices that are all the way up at like 50 to 65 cents by the end of this month. I think when we start moving, which could be today, I mean, by the time you watch this video, we could be a lot higher. It really could be today. I think by the time we start moving, we will rapidly grow to this 50 to 65 cent area. And we should be there by the end of the month of July, if not the end of the month, very early August. That's my expectation. At the end of the day, we definitely have a lot higher to go. Our days are numbered here below 22 cents. We're not going to have too many more opportunities to scoop some up, so get it while it's hot, you guys, or before it gets too hot, I should say. If we're looking at this on the 1 hour time frame, we'll zoom out. We'll zoom back out in a second. The 1 hour RSI, I mean, in all fairness, you did break out of your uptrend. You could move down a little bit lower first, but I don't know, man. I don't know. You got a flat top here with ascending lows. I don't know if you're going to do that. If you go lower at all, what, like 21 cents, if that? I don't know. Stochastics look bullish as hell. MACD is giving you bearish momentum building, and you're forming higher lows. Doesn't seem like you want to go lower, man. I really think that you're about to break out, if anything. Once that RSI gets into the overbought zone, once the stochastics in, they already are in the overbought zone. This MACD crosses green. I mean, you're just a moment away from turning on the afterburners here. If we're looking at this on a 4 hour time frame, the stochastics look pretty damn good. MACD bouncing off, hold on, bouncing off the zero line here, looking really good as well. And the RSI is getting into the overbought zone with this 1 hour 35 minutes left. I wouldn't be surprised, guys, if by the time you watch this, or if not by the end of the day, if we are at higher prices. We genuinely could be above 30 cents by the end of the day. Crazy stuff, crazy stuff, you guys, in a short amount of time too. We're finally breaking through. It's looking good. Let's look at this on the Bybit chart. Bybit right here, spot, yeah. From a high point to a low point. Nope, that's not what I was looking for. Come on, there we go. Had a low. Golden ratio down to the 382, finding support at the 382. The next area that you would go to, genuinely, whenever you break out, you won't stop at the golden ratio. You'll stop here at the 786, 886, which again, that's about 50 cents to 65 cents. That's right there in that area, you guys. Wouldn't surprise me if we did go all the way up to 65 cents in a very short amount of time. Again, the time frame on this, I'm thinking, will be the end of the month. So over the next 10 days, we should see this kind of movement. We can move fast, and we have moved fast before. I mean, we've been at this same price here and gone to those prices in 2 days' time. So don't tell me that it can't happen between now and the end of the month. It definitely, absolutely can, and probably does. Looking at this on a weekly time frame, getting the all-time high to the low here, all-time high to low. The expectation here would be that, golden ratio 382. Once we're done consolidating up here, beginning of August, we'll start to move up. We'll see prices that are all the way up at $1.65 to $3.90. That's the expectation. Somebody asked me yesterday if I was talking about this thing doing a 100x. Is that still possible, or have I given up on that? And absolutely, it's still possible. Absolutely, no, I have not given up on that. Just because I haven't talked about the long-term stuff and I'm focusing on the short-term stuff more so doesn't mean that's forsaken. Absolutely. And at this point in time, I will say 100x is technically not the minimum target anymore. Maybe the minimum target now is like a 90-something x because we moved up. Again, the minimum target that I have is like 20, maybe I'd say $22. We probably go above that. Maybe 100x is still possible, but something I've been saying 20 to 100 just to keep it rounded, right? $20 to $100, and we're at 21.8 cents now, so that would be less than 100x if we stopped at $20. But 20 to 100, that's the expectation. Something between the 2272 and the 2886, just above there, right? Something in that area. I don't think we go to 158. I mean, I suppose it's possible, but I doubt it. I really doubt it. I don't even know if it's possible. That might be too kind by saying that it's possible. But going all the way up there, and then that would probably be the end of the cycle move, guys. That's probably what we're going to see. I would think sometime in early 2026, if not by this year's end. crazy stuff is going to happen in a crazy short amount of time, man. It's going to fly. You're going to be blown away with how miraculous this movement is. But first and foremost, we'll stop here in this area, probably in August. September, October, we'll consolidate, and then October, November, we'll start to move up. December, maybe we consolidate, or November we consolidate, and then going into next year to finish this off early Q1, or I should say late Q1 or early Q2, we should be up in this area. That'd be my thoughts. Personally, I think we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-legged move coming our way, but time will tell. I got nothing else for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button, please. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and I'll see you guys on the next one, okay? Take care. Bye-bye.